difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now before you uninstall, you know what, from your mobile device, this video isn't about that. This video is actually pretty serious because I'm recording in front of this white wall here. And when I'm recording in front of that, I am dead serious. The number one thing which teens should never ever do is to give importance to other people's beliefs and opinions about what you should do over your beliefs and opinions of what you should do. So, I've seen a lot of people and teenagers give up on their dreams because of that. They actually want to become something this, and their parents and other society want them to become this, and they truly have passion to become this, but constant nagging and naysaying of the this side is dragging them to this side, and they end up that side and give up on their dreams and, you know, are shattered from within, pleasing others rather than pleasing themselves. To make this more clear, let me give you a prominent example of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Now, Arnold Schwarzenegger, when he told his parents he wanted to become a professional bodybuilder, they made fun of him and they said, "No, that's stupid, you've gone out of your mind, that's impossible." And his parents told him that you have to become a police officer like your dad, have a small little family, die unremembered. Now, for instance, let's take an example if Arnold actually listened to his parents. So, would he have pleased his parents? There's no shred of doubt. He would have definitely pleased his parents by becoming a police officer and having a small little family. But every single morning when he would have gotten out of his bed, the guilt within him of not becoming what he actually wanted to be, the guilt of knowing that you could have become something better, something much greater, would have literally killed him inside every single day and would have shredded him to pieces from within. And that happens to a lot of people every single day because they give other people's opinions more importance over their own opinions, and they give up on their dreams. And I don't want that to happen to you guys because I really do care about you guys a lot, and because of that I'll give you my own example. Okay, let's take an example about school. So, when I got out of school, when I was in school, you know, everyone loved me, the faculty, the, you know, principal and everyone, like, so I always wanted to start a YouTube channel, color my hair because I really love my hair, and so so after my final exam got over, I got my hair colored, and a week later I released my first YouTube video. As if you guys are aware, in April I released my first YouTube video last year. So what happened is, these people who used to love me at school, like some teachers, the principal and all, some of them started hating me, and they said, "Oh, you should color your hair black, you should erase your YouTube channel, what is this rubbish, you're not going to get any earning out of it, you're not going to get a job," and all that. Now I had to hear this from like so many people, so like like every single day when I used to like go on the road, go out, and someone say, "Oh, color your hair back," even though the color looks super good on me and all, but it's just, you know, backward thinking of some people, and you can't change that, the Indian school perspective and thinking, like, you just can't change that. So, but you know, the things went so far that the coaching institute I used to go to, there's one stupid guy, like, I don't know, he was a counsel or something, he said, "I won't let you enter in if you did not color your hair black." And when I brought my mom, I sorted it out, and they said like, oh, you can't like tell a child what to wear or dress or what hair they should have. Oh my god, I told you my building's so noisy. So that happened, and then I was a school captain in my school, and I had to hand over the flag or torch, I don't quite remember, I think it was the torch, to the next school captain, and I wasn't allowed to enter into school because my hair was blonde. The principal said I won't let him enter into the school because his hair is blonde, and so what happened, my mom took kajal, if you guys know what kajal is, so she put it on my hair and it camouflaged it as it was looking black. So I went into school and all that. So, and some people knew it was camouflage. They told, what are you doing with your life, and delete your channel. Like, so many people just like engorging into my head, like, delete your channel, cut off your hair, it won't get you anywhere in life and all. And that was all backward and ill thinking of them. So now, for instance, take it if I would have listened to them, give importance to their beliefs of what I should become and what they perceive me to be, instead of my beliefs and what I perceive myself to be and what I want to become and what makes me happy. Think if I would have listened to them, I wouldn't be here talking to you guys. I wouldn't have a YouTube channel. I wouldn't be where I am. I would be so unhappy, not, I'd be dead inside. Like, just think about it. If I would have given in to other people's opinions, I would be nowhere. I would just be a normal school-going kid, living a normal life, being normal, not, feeling as good about myself. But was I like that? No. Even though there's so many attacks coming in from all over the place and just gorging into my head and making me mad, I never gave in to those. I stood strong and firmly stood by what I believed in and what I wanted to become. See, like, if I want you guys to be strong too, and if you want to become something, chase after your dream. Go for it, like give it your 100%, and don't care a shred about the naysayers. They just have nothing else to do than like go into other people's life and tell them, oh, I want you to be this, I think you should become that and this. They're just, what we say, like, person without direction, just telling other people like, you should go there, you should do this, you should do that. I haven't scripted this video, I'm speaking my heart out to you guys, hope you understand that. So because I really do care about you guys, and I don't want this to happen to you. Like, I seriously don't want you to give up on your dreams. I want you to become what you've always wanted to become. Yeah, and see, I know most of you guys face this. Like, suppose if you want to become something, your parents and teachers and everyone else says otherwise, no, you should become this. But what I'm telling you is, your parents, your family, your teachers, and all the other people telling you stuff, they are not you. You are you. And in the end, what will make you happy, what matters is yourself. And you have a very limited life. I don't know, like, people's lifespans are shortening every single day now. This COVID-19, I see kids dying, I see teens dying, but life is so short, and if you live your whole life, pleasing other people and like, just, what to say, like, just giving more importance to them over yourself and pleasing them over pleasing yourself, you live your life doing things for other people rather than yourself, and you'll end up as a failure. You on your deathbed, you'll feel, what have I done of my life? What have I done of these 70 years that I've lived on planet Earth? I'm telling you guys, you're in your teens now. You should have a clear vision of where you want to go. Without a vision, you're going to end up nowhere. And if you do not have a vision, your parents' visions, your teachers' visions, your relatives' vision, and other people's visions will become your vision, and that will ruin you in the ending. I mean, have a vision, chase after your goals, and don't let anybody tell you otherwise. And if you guys ever want to talk to someone, you can always message me on Instagram. And yeah, I think that's it. Just live your life to the fullest, do what you love, work hard, enjoy, and find a true epic love in life, and just live life to the fullest. And that when you're in the deathbed, you should feel that, I have lived an epic life and I am ready to go. And people who now I'm talking about the great life people have when they focus on their own beliefs and opinions, and they have an epic life. But what about the people who I'm talking about give up on their dreams and live a life of what other people expect them to be? Well, they'll be on their deathbed with regret, and they'd say, just take me away now. I can't live anymore with all this guilt. What have I become in my life? I'm really not happy, and did life end so fast? Whereas if you cruise on your dreams and live life to the fullest and work super hard and enjoy life, find an epic love, have a great family, and do whatever you want to do. Don't do anything what society thinks of you to do. Do what you think you should do. Then you live an amazing life, and when you are on your deathbed, you'll have zero regrets and say, I've lived a lovely life. So the reason I made this video is because I really do care about you guys, and I'm 100% sure that many people are facing this. They are on a like, what's that, a conveyor belt or something? I don't know, but they on this weight scale, whether I should give importance to other people's opinions or my own opinions of what I want to become. And I'm telling you, always choose this side. Always believe in what you always want to become. Believe in yourself first. Put yourself first, and you'll achieve marvelous things. And I really do care about you guys, that's why I made this video. And if you care about someone else, someone dear to you, do share this video with them. If they feel like giving up on their dreams and you need to push them to get back on their dreams and work super hard and live the life they always wanted to live, then share this video with them. And that's it for today's video. Don't give up. Bye guys.
So I leave it all behind. Wanna live a life